Hi, I'm Faulty. I successful to recover an account that was stolen as a result of a social phishing attack. Today I come with a solution how I did it. If you too have lost part of your life or years of hard work, chill out and watch carefully. It's not quite as hopeless a situation as you think. If you are not the creator, you will also learn all the security steps that I have learned. You are not worthless to YouTube. Just as you make money, so they make money from you. It is in the mutual interest of both of you to recover your account. You are bound by a business contract that you signed. A deal that was signed with you as in person, not with some anonymous on the other side of your account screen. Recall, the whole account is created for your data, AdSense is also all your data. The withdrawal account is your bank account and you have filed personal tax returns. YouTube would be breaking the law in your contract by giving your money to someone else and failing to do so. They won't take everything for themselves. You, as a YouTube partner, had rules that you couldn't disregard. This also applies to them. Also, no one can monetize your creations and you have proof of that. Do you feel calmer now? The team of creator partners really is here for you. All you really need now is to waste a lot of your time. So do not break down, just treat it as a challenge, a goal to achieve as a manager of your channel. Trust me, I'll give you the best and easiest way I've done and nobody told me. I did not find it in other similar videos about account theft. And remember that someone wanted your account, that means what you were doing was more important than you probably thought. And you as a creator are bigger than you think. If it seems to you that you don't make much money creating content, the idea that there are poorer places in the world and for criminals from there, your work can be really valuable. I don't need your follow if you are not interested in my channel topic. But if you appreciate my willingness to get your account back, please help other creators and users who are in the same bad situation. Let's share help together! So all you need is another YouTube partner creator. Because you need to contact a special support department for creators, but without your account you can't do it. True? If you don't have YouTuber friends, that's not a problem. It can be any YouTube partner. Someone who creates similar content to you, you create similar topics, someone who knows you, maybe even your competition. It can even be a person with a minimum of 1,000 subscribers as long as he has a YouTube partnership. I would not like to be an abuse of YouTube, but I also decided to help every creator who is experiencing this horror that I have behind me. That's why I made this video. If you have such a problem, hit me up on any of my social media or you know what to do. I will try to do what I can. All you need is a theft report and a secure contact email. If you succeed, YouTube will secure your account in a very short time after the notification. Now you can rest assured about your account. They will then contact you with the new details provided. And calmly, you may not be able to recover your account after the first email, but remember the YouTube team will do everything to help you recover your account. When you are just emailing from YouTube, you can already plan how you will tell about the whole situation to your viewers or what will be the first upload to your channel back. Okay, now you know how to recover your account. But it's important that you understand how it happened and be safe in the future. It is a pity that YouTube does not educate or warn its creators about this problem. Now you've lost your channel, but something worse could happen to you where a YouTube partnership isn't enough. The most common way in which theft occurs is a combination of phishing and social manipulation techniques. You will probably receive an email with dangerous files or links that the antivirus will not detect, as it was in my case. The hacker will steal your account passwords, which may turn out to be the entire path to your channel. It will take control of your browser remotely, cloning it or stealing the appropriate files, thanks to which its computer and browser will be seen by Google as you. In fact, this is the last moment you can act on the account, and for example, warn in the partner chat or by sending a message in the creator help center informing about the event. It will take the criminal some time to mess up your account before he can log you out, and thus himself, because he is you at this point. Only after he's done everything will he log into his device, most likely using a VPN to simulate your country, but the city will probably be wrong. So what? Is it really that easy to lose an account? You can say yes. And Google itself contributes to this. The whole game is about two-fa verification, when Google automatically marks the first login using two-fa to remember this device as safe. Yes, it's a Google error that I need to work on correcting. This way it doesn't matter how strong two-fa you have applied. Expensive keys, complicated authenticators are no safer than not having two-fa at all. I reported it. If you feel it's right, you can. To be honest, the Microsoft account is much safer. Checking whether removing all secure devices is complicated, requires entering your Google account, and in the two-fa options it is at the very bottom. So once a hacker has taken over your device and browser, which are saved as safe and don't require two-fa, all they need is the account password, which is easy to steal and your hacker's already done it. With the password alone, without having to confirm anything with two-fa, the hacker will calmly disconnect all your devices so that you will not be notified that your account is compromised. Once you are muted, the criminal will then wipe the rest of the information you added and replace your crappy two-fa with his USB keys and printed codes. And that's it! So now what can you do to live safer in this digital world? I will tell you all the behaviors that I managed to learn during this hard time when I didn't know what to do with my YouTube career and whether my other accounts and devices are safe. These steps will improve your online courage. There are no paid collaborations or ads here. Just the solutions that I found to be the safest. And don't be scared. It's not like you have to buy a lot of applications and spend a fortune for basic goods in this digital world. There are tons of top-tier free solutions. 1. Browsing incognito should now be a good habit for your business. Use the highest security priority in the browser. You can check it in settings. Install the Malwarebytes extension for your browser. 2. Biometrics is the most secure of the easiest security measures, use it as often as possible. Remember that someone can intercept or see what and where you type. 3. Password apps really do their job well. The originality and length of the password is basically no longer relevant in the present day in times of cryptocurrency cracking. More important are individual passwords for different accounts and changing them frequently. Password apps do this for you. With additional advantages, they have military-grade encryption. Phishing them won't work. They work in many places. No need to type on the keyboard, which solves several risks. They will not work on sussy websites that require a login, so they don't reveal data like you would. A free app you can use is Bitwarden. If you still don't trust password apps, try to create passwords using one root but different endings. 4. Other safest solutions recommended by my Google friend are USB keys and authenticator apps. If you are learning from hackers and their behaviors to best protect your stolen account, printed security codes can be useful. All those 2FA based on SMS and backup emails are outdated basic ways. Do not use them when you care about the greatest security. As for the USB, Bluetooth or NFC keys, check your phone. You will probably be able to use your device as such a key. I don't mean pop-up notifications. 5. Use a VPN anytime, anywhere. If you really matter on the internet, and if someone wanted to rob you, then I'm right. You are no longer a regular internet user. 6. Setting all the networks you connect to as public instead of home will also increase your security. 7. Don't trust built-in antiviruses. Especially if you are a Windows user. Windows Defender can be tricked very easily. I recommend the free but powerful Kaspersky Cloud Free. Your phone needs protection too. 8. The Virus Total website will scan your file with not one but many of the best antivirus programs at once. 9. Use anti-ransomware protection. Sometimes losing important personal files in your life can be more painful than losing your YouTube channel. 10. Don't keep everything in one cloud. As you've probably found out, you lost all your most important files this way. And external drives are generally safer than internal drives. In general, using separate devices for work, study and entertainment instead of logging everything on one device can be helpful. 11. Try to download apps only from official app stores. Avoid exe files. It may be helpful to turn on the visibility of file extensions. This way you won't be fooled by including a fake file type. 12. Mobile devices are generally safer than computers. Apple, iOS and Linux are the safest choices overall. 13. If you consider your mobile device more secure, you can consider features such as Samsung DeX or iPad Pro macOS mode. They're game changers. 14. Entertainment files like video, photo, audio can also act as viruses. Don't let the video tutorial you watch steal your password. 15. If you think some files are damn important, use data encryption. 16. If you don't belong to any partner network that could help you in similar situations, think about creating something of your own on the basis of an affiliate network. It's simpler than you think. Just add your other secure accounts with different levels of access to your channel and your YouTube Studio channel settings. 17. And most important, you lost your Google account and you probably don't have the best opinion about this company. But their Gmail still has one of the best anti-phishing and anti-malware systems based on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Or even better, Google's paid plans for business include even better protection and security. Think about it if your channel is your small business. 18. Try not to use the same email as your YouTube channel and AdSense account for all possible things and applications related to your art. 19. A separate mailbox for correspondence and collaborations will be a good behavior. You can also use the services of third parties for the manager to mediate in contact with you. Such people have experience in this work and will not be fooled as easily as you. As you can see, losing your YouTube channel is not the end of the world and it's not as big of a problem as you thought. The The digital world is also not so anti-human and dangerous if you know these few tricks. Totally free, you can improve your virtual life. Be safe online, and if you are a content creator, take your business seriously. I hope this video will help many people in such trouble as I was in and all the popular methods did not work or were outdated. You are not alone.